Hello, Louis. Good to be with you today. First, we want to talk about online courses. Could you tell us the difference between online, the rigorous program, versus classroom?
Absolutely. Nice to meet you. Nice to be here tonight. Yeah, with the online courses, one of the things that I'm looking at with my division is academic rigor. It's easier to measure it in a face-to-face class because the students are actually there in person, they take the tests, you can grade assessments. But in an online setting, the students have to do work and submit it when it's convenient for them. So with the academic rigor, it's all about establishing a bar, not just for our students, but for our faculty as well. Last year, we had a course called QM certified course that I went through. Quality Matters is an organization that basically looks at an online course and basically wants to establish that certain criteria are being met. So I have an Introduction to Sociology course that went through the QM process, and it was very rigorous, but it basically ensures that the course that I'm offering is a quality course. And so I thought about that, and I thought a great thing to do with our other online courses is to raise the bar and to see that they have a certain set of criteria that are pretty established across the board. So that's kind of where we are with that right now, and we're creating a rubric that we can use to look at certain components of the course and whether or not they're met. So we can offer better quality courses and ensure academic rigor is taking place at the same time.
Okay. Could you tell me some of the challenges you may face with online courses versus classroom? What are some of the challenges that are out there that you have to overcome?
Probably one of the biggest challenges is in a seated course, you have face-to-face interaction with the instructor. There's a student dynamic that's taking place too, because students can ask questions and that can facilitate them to think about more questions. In an online setting, the student is on his or her own. The student is responsible for reading the material, for digesting it, for doing the assignments, so they don't get that personal one-on-one kind of encouragement that maybe they would get if they had it in a seated kind of setting.
Well, that's me. How are you going to ensure that this program continues on and how successful in years to come?
Okay, one of my challenges is that we're currently working, like I said, on a rubric, and what we're going to do is look at some of the criteria in the Quality Matters course, which is what my course went through last year, and then formerly I was Director of Distance Learning, and I had a check sheet that we used as well, and we're going to basically merge those two things together, and then we're going to look at all of the courses to ensure that those measures are being met.
Okay, well, Lou, I want to thank you for your time here and thank you for what you're doing here at community college, and hopefully you're successful in your online rigor program.
All right, thank you so much.